Hi guys, welcome back. Phil Horne here, top chef at High Fresh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook beautiful lamb ribs. I haven't got a lot of ingredients today. I'm not doing lots of marinades. We've got some lamb ribs. I've got one whole rack there of lamb ribs, about 8 bones roughly. So we're just going to take our beautiful lamb rib here and we're just going to cut it into 3 pieces so we can get a nice cook. Some salt and pepper, and we're going to get it straight into the pan with nice medium to high heat. Okay, so I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil straight into the pan. You can hear it's nice and hot. You just carefully get your lamb straight in. Now you might need to do this in a couple of steps. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. We're just going to get a nice colour on both sides as much as we can. Okay, so that's been searing now for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're just going to flip that over. Should have a nice caramelisation on it. Real nice, beautiful colour. That's exactly what we're looking for. So same again on this side, and then we're just going to transfer it onto the tray, and we'll finish our last 2 pieces before we move on to the rest of the sauce. Okay, so that's about 10 minutes now. We've got a really nice colour all throughout. The pan's smoking hot, so we do need to be careful. We're just going to transfer that now, and we'll carry on with the rest. Okay, so we've got a real nice sear all throughout our lamb. We've taken that off the heat now. That's ready, just waiting for the remaining sauce. I've got all the liquid still left in the pan. I'm just going to roughly cut some rosemary and about 6 cloves of garlic. So with our rosemary, we just want to pull it off the stalk. Flatten all our garlic. Roughly slice all of it up. Okay, so pan back on the heat. Now I've turned this down to low to medium heat. We want to get all the fragrance going from the garlic and the rosemary, but we don't want it to burn. Okay, straight in. So we'll just give that another 30 seconds. We'll put our sugar in, chicken stock, and we'll coat the lamb. Okay, 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then add your chicken stock. We're not bringing it to the boil here. We're just going to get rid of the sugar, let the sugar evaporate into the stock, and then we'll add it to the lamb. Just get all that rosemary, all that garlic out of the pan. It smells incredible. Okay, so everything's seared now. We've got a nice sear on our lamb. Our sauce is ready to go. Everything's in the tray. Let's pop that in the oven, and we're going to cook it for 45 minutes. So it's been 45 minutes. Everywhere smells amazing. I can smell the rosemary, I can smell the lamb, the garlic. Let's check it out and see if it's cooked. So we're just going to let that sit for a couple more minutes. I've just got a few fresh sprigs of rosemary. I'm going to finally slice up some spring onion and finally slice some chives. To plate up, I'm just using a nice big bowl, and I'm just going to sift all the lamb around itself. Our rosemary over, a bit of that spring onion. And we're just going to spoon a little bit of the sauce left over. Now you could serve this with some potatoes, some corn casserole, corn on the cob, pretty much serve it with anything. This is traditionally like a nice little entree. Can't wait to get into it.